bus to Baia Mare in Maramureș. 3-hour journey. Got a bit of a walk after that to the apartment where I'm staying for the night. It was the cheapest online I could see was the actual apartment. So. Sideways with it. That drive me crazy, I think. Just arrived in Baia Mare now. Bus station's unfortunately a little bit further out. A long, boring walk. I need to find where the accommodation is. Hope it's straightforward enough. Know the general area where it's located, but trying to find the number is going to be a bit of a pain, I think. I don't have to look all over for it. So he's took me to this other place, which is actually alright. Nice little self-contained apartment. Cooker on top of a washing machine, as you do. He said the internet's down in the other place, so better than I was expecting, even though it's not the same apartment. Kitchen as well. Interesting view out the window, even though it's dark. Some sort of like bridge there, I think. Multicoloured bridge. Get a bit of a glimpse of I think more realistic Romanian life. Glad to be off that bus. Tight squeeze. Old guy next to me leisurely spread out. Hour and 45, and I'm just outside the centre but need to get off. Arse cheeks are gone to sleep. Just a little centre. Caravan over there. It's actually a food van now, a bakery van. Just back in Sighetu Marmației. Find somewhere to go and eat, I think. Quite quiet though. I'll go and try and find somewhere a bit more traditional to eat. Not really been anywhere like that on this trip so far, so find somewhere a bit cosier. Surely somewhere down my side streets, I think. That's Main Street down there. Go about Swells and have a wander down there. Again, looks a bit quiet though. I'll try this place. Caught my eye online, looked like it could be alright. Pork steak and a potato wrap. Nice though. Simple. Or I should go for the meat. Not really had any in the past few days, so I'm beginning to miss it. Not just the meaty bit. I like big pork steak. Very quiet town, at least tonight. It picks up over the weekends. Nice place though. Sleepy vibe to it. As I say, this is like a sort of border town. Just up the road there is the border with Ukraine. Kind of borders with the town just over the river, over the bridge. Salot Vina, I think it is, pronounce it correctly. But I think you can actually see from my hotel, because I've got a balcony looking into Ukraine, just over the river. You can see the hills, not only like a stone's throw away. I think it's actually looking over into Ukraine there. So I don't know what people living here feel like, but how confident they are with that on the doorstep. Albeit I think it's a slightly more quieter and safer part of Ukraine. There's one of the main streets. Don't know why there's much happening tonight though. I'll have a wander down anyway. Still early enough. Actually fell asleep back at the hotel for about an hour, so quite awake at the moment. Wouldn't mind an earlier start tomorrow. Try and figure out what I'm doing. So I don't know how these are. Fountains and all. This is an interesting looking building. I've just seen the sign, it's actually the Communist Museum. I thought it looked a little bit like a prison. I'm guessing it didn't start out as a prison, looking at the age of the building. It's requisitioned as a prison, communist area. I'll try and pop in tomorrow morning if I get the time, depending on what my plans are. That's the end of the main strip. It didn't take too long to walk. I'll have a little wander around the block. Got these nice vernacular houses dotted around. Some interesting ones on the drive up from Baia Mare, like the hills of Maramureș. This does feel like a very sleepy little town. I'm going to be walking down there, so don't know why there's much going on. Not even Butty Junior's barbecue is open at the moment. It's possibly empty. Even still open. I was hoping to buy maybe like a cosy little bar just to go and sit in, have a drink or two before crashing for the night. Sure there's one around, but yet to see it. Just randomly stood there. How odd. I'm to stand there all night. Didn't see him come down. Really rather odd. Don't want to disturb them. You know, cows sleep standing up, but I'm not sure about horses. Yeah, I think I'm heading back to the hotel and chill out. Not much happening this evening. Nice for a little stroll around, but everywhere shut up shop. It's nice to get out for a walk off the sat on a bus, train, endless hours. Shall be all up and open, busy tomorrow morning. Just to chill out for a while. Feel like I've not chilled out for a good few days properly. Been on the move constantly. Room's perfect temperature as well. So you've just got the balcony out there. Look over onto the border into Ukraine. I won't say anything now, but it was nice as the sun was going down. And the hills. And that's it for night. Catch you in the morning.